Thank you so much for visiting me tonight, this afternoon tonight almost. I'm happy to see you. I'm always happy to see you. I have some new subscribers. Welcome. Welcome and thank you. I'm Mary, and this is part 2 of vintage antique-ish evening bags. I have to say that I'm having a ball starting up this YouTube channel. It's been a lot more fun in the last week or two than I could have imagined, even though I have so much to learn. I've been kind of enjoying learning it. So I'm hoping that I'll get better and better for you. And I hope if you like this video, you will give a thumbs up. And please subscribe. That would help me out so much. Thank you. Thank you ahead of time. Why don't we get started? Okay. The first evening bag is from 1930s probably, and it's the most impractical evening bag I think you could possibly have, and yet it's one of the most beautiful. So for the sake of beauty, let's take a look at it. The landscapers are here. They didn't start until I started the video. This is sort of a satin material. And how you open it. It's just like that. So you could carry it in the strap, or you could just carry it like, I should say like this. It kind of goes with my top today. It's kind of heavy metal of some sort. It's in excellent condition. I'll give you a close-up of these, like, there's sort of a silver looking. And the top is very pretty with the rhinestone right there. And when you open it, it's pretty charming. So you have your lipstick, and I think this is powder, and this is a cloth. I'm thinking that probably, not sure, but maybe a powder puff went in there. I don't know. Or maybe money. You know, you have to have someplace to carry your money. In case the guy who took you out for cocktails is not really as nice as you thought he was. You want to have enough money to take a taxi home in 1930. And then on this side, is a mirror. Now let me see if I can get this open. Maybe I should have done this ahead of time, and I didn't. But let's see if we can get it open. I don't think I can. Doesn't want to budge. We'll have to show that another day. It says something on it. I'm going to take a look. It says Volupte, USA. And then if you take the mirror down, there's another spot for keys, money, something, and it's kind of secretly put back there. Cute. And the lipstick. See how small they were at that time versus now. Isn't that amazing? I think it's amazing. Look at that. Wow. I don't think that this was ever used. And I'm not sure how they filled them or anything like that. That would be interesting to know, though. They probably, you just bought the lipstick and it somehow just popped in. And then it fits right back. Yeah. This is where the powder was. I don't want to break it. And they're still cutting the grass. Oh my goodness. So that's the first one. 1930s. Now we come to a favorite. This is acrylic. And I'm really thinking 1950s. Silver trim. I see I have some things inside. So I do have a few things that I use with this bag when I carry it. Because you can see through it. Here's the top. So pretty. And then it just pops open. And it has a really heavy, very heavy plastic. Like laminate. That's how strong it is. And it would still hold a phone, whatever you needed if you were going out. If you saw my part 1 of the evening bags, you saw that I had a lot of Whiting and Davis mesh bags. Well, this is a Whiting and Davis matching wallet. It's beautiful. It's in fantastic condition. Place for your money. for your change. Whatever else, license, pictures, whatever. And I like this because it looks so pretty when you put it inside the bag. There it is. Cute. And then I have a collection of the antique handkerchiefs. So I generally put some kind of a really pretty handkerchief in there as well. It's just fun. I'm all about the fun, apparently. Well, another little thing that's pretty charming is this little deal. It's navy blue, well, maybe a royal blue. It's very soft. And this is kind of amazing. I bought this for $1. And I was amazed when I looked inside. This had tarnished, but it's sterling silver. And this is the tiniest little, enough for me. Wow, look how beautiful this is. I mean, you could almost wear it like a piece of jewelry. That's how pretty it is. And then the mirror. But I shined it up. And it's just so pretty. So I use this on very special occasions. And again, there's a real look at the color. It almost looks royal in the light. It's a real find, I think. When things are just made so beautifully. The next bag is kind of a big bag. I think you could probably use it in the evening for sure, but it was more of maybe a really nice day bag or evening bag from the 50s, maybe early 60s, that you would, or you could use in the evening, going out to dinner or whatever. Look at that. Isn't that just beautiful? I love it. This is the softest, most beautiful, kind of a silk, but heavier material. And it's in really awesome condition. Let me give you a look at the top there. And you opened it. And this is the softest satin ever inside. It's got one slip pocket. That sounds good. And I'm not sure who made this. I'll see if I can see it. I can. Bags by Edward, made in USA. And it has a crown. It's so soft. I like that. Ooh, that's so nice. This is so pretty. This is royal blue. It's beautiful. Complete sequins. Everywhere. And it has sort of 3 indentations. Well, I shouldn't say indentations, but 3 rows here of sequins. And it unsnaps. And it's this beautiful satin inside. And it has 1 zipper, if I can get it. It has a zipper pocket. And then over here, it has a little pocket with so many times they would put the gold braid at the top. I don't know if I can see the tag. I think I might be able to. Original Freemore creation. Everything was a creation. I love this one. This is Bakelite. Bakelite has a pretty sound, doesn't it? I think it does. The clasp. Very, very thick. Thick suede. Beautiful. This was made by Zimmerman. And again, it has that beautiful interior. They just don't make things like this anymore. I think that's why I appreciate it so much. I really do. The tag is coming off. It's beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. I want to say, I could think about the color of this Bakelite. It's just this beautiful orangey yellow, I guess. But it has sort of catches the light, I don't know, a few different tones in there, but you would just carry it like this. One more. This is one of my real finds. Isn't that amazing? This is my pin. vintage pin that I put on it because when I carry it, I think it's really pretty on the back. You can sort of get a close-up of all the work, to put this together. You could put this under your arm like this. Sashay around. Yeah. And then it opens right here on the flowerette, I think they call it rosette. It does have a snap closure. And look at the inside. This is probably handmade. Look at that scarlet red color. So you could even put a red pin on this, and it would be so pretty when you opened it up. It holds a lot. There are no pockets. Look how beautiful that is. Really nice. So, 6 more bags, and that's pretty much my collection. I'm going to do another video with my daytime bags, vintage bags. I hope you'll join me for that. I hope that you saw pretty things that you liked. I hope that you had a moment of quiet in your day, or some quiet as you're winding down for the day. I know I enjoyed it. I enjoy being with you. I enjoy visiting with you. I wish I could meet every one of you, because I know you're all different and wonderful, and it would be great to know you. Well, I guess I would carry this bag with this shirt. What do you think? I think so. I think I would do this the whole time I was carrying it. I love that. Well, I'm also going to be doing a what's in my bag. I thought would be fun. So I hope you'll be watching out for that. Please, thumbs up and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. Thank you for coming to see me. I know there's so many people you can go see in the ASMR community, and I'm glad you took a little time to come and see me. So, God bless. Blessings to you all. I love you. I hope to see you